Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can access web browser in PS5. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, simply select settings at the top, then go to accessibility, and here in display and sound we're gonna see the option zoom. So here we need to enable zoom. Once you do that, get back from this and just simply select the option users and accounts. Right here, go to linked services, and in the link services you're gonna see the option YouTube. Select that, select the option link. Now go to use browser, and since we have enabled zoom, we can press PlayStation button and square button together to make this fit to screen. Now press X, and we need to click on the option terms now. Once you do that, click on this 9 dots, go to search, and we got the search bar. So right here you can just search for anything. Let's say I'm gonna type Amazon, okay, and just you can search for anything you like. And once you do that, you can just basically, let's say as I search for Amazon, I can open amazon.in, and just like that you can search for anything. You can basically access web browser like this, and it is that easy. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.